Hello students, good morning. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Dear student, today we are going to start new lesson. The lesson name is Weather and Season. Dear student, most of the time you have listened by someone by telling today's weather is very fine, very pleasant weather. The season of that place is very good or bad, hot or cold. So, dear student, we will discuss in this lesson weather, climate, and all types of seasons. So, and in this lesson, we will also discuss about what is the difference between weather and climate. So, let's start today's class. First of all, we will discuss about the weather. Some days are hot, some cool, some windy, and some rainy. Yes, student, this is the condition of our day to day change. This is the condition of day to day change in weather, in climatic condition. Some days are hot, some cool, some windy, and some rainy. It's change day to day. And other thing is the condition of the atmosphere of a place for a short time is called weather. What is weather? A condition of the atmosphere. बेटा ये एटमॉस्फेयर का एक कंडीशन है एक प्लेस का फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम इज कॉल्ड वेदर और ये चेंज जो है थोड़े समय के लिए होता है. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने पिछले दिनों में देखा होगा कि गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा थी और आज जो है बारिश हो गई. बारिश होने से जो वेदर है, जो एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन है हमारे आसपास की, वो कूल हो गई है. सो दिस इज़ द चेंज in short period of time. Maybe tomorrow will be sunny day and too much hot will be there tomorrow. So it is called weather. It is called weather. So the condition of the atmosphere of a place for a short time is called weather. And next thing is the weather of a place. The weather of a place keeps changing. Yes, student? The weather of a place keeps changing. My dear student, in this you just keep in mind a short time. For a short time. Change in a short time. The weather of a place keeps changing. The weather of a place keeps changing means there is a change day to day in temperature, in wind condition, so it is called weather. Weather forecasts tell us how the weather of a place will be. Means अगले दिन का जो वेदर है, आने वाले दिनों में वेदर होगा वो कैसा होगा. इट इज़ टोल्ड बाई आवर डिपार्टमेंट दैट इज़ कॉल्ड weather forecast department, and they told us about the coming days weather, which type of weather will be there in coming days. It is told by weathercast department, weather forecast department. And now other thing is climate. Dear student, in this topic we will discuss about what is climate and what is the difference between weather and climate. So when a particular type of weather remains the same in a place for a long time, you can see here for a long time, and here short time and here long time. So when a particular type of weather remains the same, means अगर किसी when a particular type of weather remains the same, अगर किसी भी particular place का जो weather है वो लगातार सेम रहे, एक जैसा रहे लंबे समय तक, मतलब ज़्यादा दिनों तक, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? इट इज़ नोन एज द climate of the place. It is called and it is known as the climate of a place. So one difference here is their atmospheric change for a short period of time, and in climate there is a change for a long period of time. So it's called climate. The other thing is, beta, keep in mind these two, weather, the difference between weather and climate. Climate is a condition, atmospheric condition, or you can say weather condition for a long period of time. The weather condition for a long period of time will be same, it is called climate. And the atmospheric condition of a place for a short time is called weather. This is the basic difference between weather and climate. Climate rarely changed. Climate is not going to change day to day, but weather is going to change day to day. So it is called weather. And other thing is, the weather of a place may change every few hours, but the climate remains the same for a long period of time. Yes, student, it is also a difference between weather and climate. The weather of a place may change every few hours, means जो वेदर है किसी भी प्लेस का वो हर घंटे चेंज हो सकता है, बट द क्लाइमेट रिमेन्स द सेम फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. लेकिन किसी भी प्लेस का जो क्लाइमेट है वो लंबे समय तक सेम रहता है. बेटा, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. द वेदर ऑफ अ प्लेस may change every few hours, but the climate remains the same for a long period of time. So it is the difference between weather and climate. And other thing is, and last one is, the kind of food people eat, the clothes people wear, and the kind of animals and plants that are found in a place depends on the climate. Yes, student, these all things are depend on the climate of a place. All the things are governed by the geographical condition of a place and the climatic condition of a place. These things govern means if the production of which thing is in large amount, food habit will be the same according to the growing crop or the material which is found easily to eat. And the next one is the clothes. If climatic condition is hot, cotton clothes will be used. Climatic condition is cold or cold, so woolen cloths will be used and warm cloths will be used. And the climatic condition is rainy, then there will be raining clothes will be used there. People wear, and the kind of animals and plants, the kinds of animals and plants that are found in a place. The animals and plants that are found in a place depend on the climate. Yes, student, which type of animal will be found and which type of plants will be grow it is totally depend on climate. Just for example, the polar bear only found on the poles having white color, but nearby us, if there we if we see any bear, so the color is black. So different types of animals and plants are found in different climatic region. So this is called the climatic condition of a place, and this is the effect of climatic condition on a place. So my dear student, I hope you understand all the things. And my dear student, please do your work properly and properly do your study and prepare yourself for the coming exam. Learn all the things properly and prepare yourself properly, and do comment in the comment box by writing your name, class and section, and ask the other student to comment in comment box, and subscribe the channel. If you will subscribe my channel, then you will get all the videos which I have delivered till today. So enjoy your day, have a nice day.